Hello friends, today I am going to explain the brief working of operational amplifiers, which are incredible devices that can be employed in amazing number of ways. These are basically differential amplifiers. An op amp has two leads, has the important leads are it has an inverting and non-inverting end, which is the positive sign, and an inverting end, the negative sign. uh, it can be used in two setups: non-inverting setup and inverting setup. In the non-inverting setup, the input is applied at the positive pin, and in the inverting setup, the input is applied at the inverting end, that is negative end. The basic principle is that it compares how it works. It works by comparing the values at the inverting and non-inverting end pins. If any of the value is greater, the output will saturate toward that value. For example, if the input applied at the positive lead is greater than that applied at the negative lead, then the output will saturate towards positive supply. If the case is reverse, that is, the input applied at inverting end is more than that applied at the non-inverting end, then the output will saturate towards negative Vs, and it will be in phase with the input in the non-inverting setup only. See here how the supply is saturated. First see, in this region, the input voltage, the voltage at the inverting non-inverting end at the positive end is greater than that at the negative end, which is ground. It is 0 volt at the inverting end. So in this region, the output will saturate towards positive supply, and we can see that it is equal to plus Vs. When Vin is negative, that is, the value at the inverting end at the negative lead is much more positive, then the input will saturate towards the negative lead, minus Vs, and we can see it also. Similarly, you can explain how it works in the inverting setup. Difference is that in inverting setup, now the output will be a 180 degree out of phase from the input. Hope I'll repeat once again. And if the voltage applied, you can see it is written in the bottom. If the voltage applied to the inverting terminal V negative is more positive than the voltage applied to the non-inverting terminal, the output saturate towards the negative voltage supply, minus Vs. Conversely, if V plus is greater than V minus, output saturate towards the positive supply. It is as simple as that. Hope you like it. I will continue the discussion on op amp on my